Hey guys, this is Art over here. Welcome to the first video where I'm going to show you just a quick demonstration of our platform. Obviously, the Pay by Text is the most important and the most popular tool that you're probably going to be offering to your merchants. So we're going to start with this. This is the messaging tab over here. On the left side, you can see the conversations that's happening between the merchant and the customers. We call them just transactions via SMS. If you click over here, it's going to give you just a navigation bar where you can upload the contacts, you can see the messaging, you can create the campaigns, and you can see the full reporting of your payments that are flowing through the Pay by Text transactions. So I'm going to go ahead and send myself an invoice so you can see how easy it is to kind of pull up the conversation. What I'm doing right now is pulling up the conversation with myself. And then on the right side, you see my screen of my phone. So I can easily say, hello. Hi, myself. And you're gonna see it. I'm gonna have it in real life. I'm gonna get the message saying hi from a 10-digit number. So I can open up my phone, go to that conversation, and start conversing with the merchant. So to send a Pay by Text invoice, easily we're gonna go here. We're gonna click this credit card button down at the bottom. We have ability to send it by email at the same time. So I'm going to click here, and that invoice is going to hit the email that is already on file, and also via text is going to send it to myself, which is phone over here. So I'm going to go ahead and add the service. This is just a pharmacy demo account, so it's going to be a copay as a service of amount of $35. This message that is going to be sent out for them with that invoice is completely customizable to your needs. So this is SMS message, and obviously this is the email message. I'm going to go ahead and send it to myself, and you will see on the right side how it's going to come across on my device. Boom. On the right side, you see, hey Arturus, you received the invoice from SunshineRx in the amount of $35. Please click the link below to make a payment. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link. We are PCI compliant, as well as the HIPAA and SOC 2 Type 2 compliant as well. So you see there's no portals, there's no logins to download. It's right away giving you a clean look checkout page. SunshineRx is a demo account, so it's completely viable for your merchant. Will be able to customize this invoice as you want. We can add conveniences, we can add partial payment, many features. We can request the information here down below, whether it's email, whether it's address, or anything you wish. We just add them as a custom fields. To make a payment, I'm going to go ahead and click the make the payment. As you can see on the second page, we have ability to make a payment with a credit, debit, ACH, bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and BitPay. So consumer itself themselves have ability to make payments with different payment options. Here's just a standard process where would you buy any product or service online. You just put your payment information, click the complete payment, and transaction is going to go through. So that's how easy it is to send that Pay by Text invoice. And I just want to demonstrate this two-way text communication. So if I have a question as a customer, I'm going to go ahead and send a message. This is not my invoice. Can you please help? You see that I'm sending a text message from my phone, but it's hitting the software that we've built, and the merchant can have a conversation with the customers back and forth. So this is just a small part of our solution and what we offer here, but that's definitely the main focus here is a Pay by Text, so ability to the merchants to invoice in an individual format where I just showed you here, because you already have a conversation with that person. You can also send those batch invoices in a batch format. We're going to go ahead over here and batch importing. Especially it's very helpful for healthcare in healthcare industry, where you have a lot of people that owe you money, and you have a custom balances for each person. So you can come up with a good looking Excel file or CSV file here, where the first name, last name, and the phone number is going to be required fields, as well as description of the invoice and amount that person is owned. So once you have a simple CSV Excel file pre-built over here, you'll be able to drag and drop here in the system and drop it over here, and then just launch your campaign. So imagine sending out several pay by text invoices at the same time. And this is how our payment reporting works over here and looks. So you have ability to see all the transactions, you can refund, you can see the receipts, and obviously you want to export that data. We have different options to export via CSV, Excel, PDF file. We also have a direct integration with QuickBooks, so you'll be able to directly post back the payments into QuickBooks Online, into QuickBooks Desktop. So other features we have, just to add individual contact. We can import contacts in a bulk form. All you need, as I said, is a first name, last name, and a cell phone number. You can drag and drop, upload the file here in the system. Then you can manage the list. So basically putting people in different lists, as we call them. Basically, it's just the groups. So segmenting people depending on your need, and then successfully adding the campaigns, which is SMS and MMS campaign. You would just name it over here, select the list that I just spoke about, come up with a template, right? The system comes with just a generic templates. We have a templates builder as well. Over here, you can come up with your own templates. Once you come up with a template, you'll be able to select that template and send it out in the SMS marketing campaign. A few things we have is SMS templates, as I said, automation. So basically the ability to auto messages and let's say reminders on the invoice. You can set up different reminders up to different amount of days that is going to be just reminding people to make that payment via text. Last thing I want to put your attention to is the view appointments. It's very straightforward. You would just book the appointment over here by clicking on one of the cells one of the times. Once you click the appointment time, it's going to prompt you to fill out some information about the customer. As soon as you put the appointment on the books, they're going to get a receipt of that appointment, and also system is going to notify them sometime prior to the appointment, just reminding them that they have appointment with you coming up. Settings, as I said, it's this system is really customizable to your needs, so you'll be able to adjust different settings such as billing information for that merchant, miscellaneous, where I mentioned where you can customize the invoice, you can put different colors, you can set a convenience fees, you can send a welcome emails, require physical signature, you can also require terms and conditions where you can customize it, or over here at the bottom. I mean, there's a lot you can have in our system. It's just a matter of looking for those spots. You can add different staff members over here with different seniority lists, seniority access. So the owner will be able to see entire platform, when manager and sales agent won't be able to see the financials, for example. So we can assign different staff members to different capabilities inside the system. So this is pretty much it for demo purpose. I wanted to show you what I showed you what I wanted to show. So excited to move forward with you. Just keep watching these videos. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about the buy rates that you have with us. So basically the wholesale price of the platform, and how much you can upcharge and should upcharge and for your merchant. So excited to get going. Keep watching the videos. See you.